Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Mabuhay! Magandang araw!
Kasi magandang araw. Oh.
He looks sad.
I know. Anyways, we're back again. We're
And
gonna
we're
eat again.
again. And I'm hungry now!
You're hungry?
Uh-oh.
You just ate the whole thing?
How about you? Hungry?
Okay. So what are we gonna eat? I think the foods that we're gonna be eating now are Filipino street foods.
Yeah.
It's called Grill City. Grill
Yeah,
City.
we bought it in Grill City and Seafood City.
And it's street food. It's a street food.
Yeah. So
Because it's kind
the
of
first thing that we're gonna eat is
mess.
quail eggs.
Yay!
Yummy.
Quail eggs.
You want to try?
Yeah.
These are egg, the little ones.
I'm now gonna try it.
Yeah.
Not for me, okay?
No, it's eat it. It's egg.
It's egg.
It's egg.
It's egg.
What did I do?
Yummy!
I said eat it. Look at the
Approve.
inside. It's egg. Look, it's a white egg here.
Approved, guys.
Here. Okay.
So good.
The egg.
Oh,
one.
we forgot.
Oh.
Oh,
You're scared it's not alive. Hello.
It's egg.
It's approved, guys.
There you go.
Ay. Yummy.
I just thumbs up approved.
Mm-hmm.
It's approved, guys.
Oh, you have the suka and I don't have. Okay. Okay. You play over there now.
Yeah.
You don't wanna eat?
Okay.
Oopsie.
I
Okay.
need a cup.
No, you don't need a cup. What do you want? What do you want?
Well, can we finish this?
How about hot dog? You want to eat hot dog?
A hot dog. There. Oh, eat your hot dog.
Here.
Oh, there is your hot dog. Here. It's a hot dog.
How do I split hot dog?
Why?
Okay. Yeah. Let's not have him eat anything.
Okay.
Have him do. Yes, sir. Yeah. So
Ooh,
the next
what's
one.
that? Is that octopus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or the
A
squid?
squid, I think, or baby octopus.
Baby
I'm
octopus?
still eating this.
Okay, you put it down. Finish it later. Ah.
Can I eat the fork?
No.
It's an octopus.
JJ. Oh, you want octopus?
That's for Mama.
Look at.
Okay. Put it in vinegar.
I'm getting
Mm.
I'm getting the tails.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Good.
I never before eat this.
Mm-hmm. Try it. The small one.
Can I have this one?
You play.
Mm.
Don't
Maybe a
play.
small one. Okay.
Yummy.
Mm.
Shami?
Yeah. Look at that eyeball.
There's an eyeball.
What's that?
I think this is fish ball. Okay. So
I want to try some.
we only have
No, this
3,
is
so
Mama's fork.
one for you.
Yay.
Get one for me. For you, and then the last one's for me. Fish ball.
This
I
is
mean-
fish ball?
Yeah, they're fish ball like this. So.
What?
Very good.
Approved. The octopus and this are approved.
Mm-hmm.
Mami.
We forgot to do it approved. This one.
Thumbs up.
down.
Mm.
Thumbs down.
Why
And
now?
these are like,
What are those?
I think their kikiam is like this too. I think the kikiam that I remember like long.
I need a bread.
Arigo.
I need a bread. What's that?
Can you give the bread, tatay?
Yeah,
Where's
eat
your
your bread.
Can I open it? What is that?
It's a kikiam.
Oh, yeah, okay. A big chicken.
Okay, let's try it.
I'll put it down.
Wait a minute, let's just have him
put it-
eat the churros.
You want your churros instead? Churros.
Yay! I want churros.
Okay, churros boy. Here is your churros boy. There you go.
I want my
Have him-
bread.
Yeah,
Have him
it,
sit over there.
I want my
Good?
bread.
oh, hawak mo yung bread mo.
I want my
No, not the stick, Nak. Not the stick. Your plate? Okay, have your plate.
Can I put this one in there?
No,
Okay.
there. You put it. There
And
you
this
go.
one, they call it
Yeah.
Can
Um,
I put it there?
cuttle.
Cuttlefish?
Yeah, cuttlefish.
Fish ball.
It's kind of like a squid ball. Maybe this is squid ball,
Oh.
right?
Oh, I need to drink water now. Thumbs up!
Thumbs up for its churros.
Thumbs up for churros. Let me see the thumbs up. For churros? Okay.
I want to drink water now.
Okay, drink it. Here.
Here.
Thank you, Tata.
You're welcome.
Look at them.
Okay, so where's your stick?
Oh, I
this one.
put it there.
Squid ball, ate.
Yes, squid ball.
I want to taste my
You
black
haven't
jelly.
you haven't tasted your thing.
My thing. Okay. Ting, ting. What
Look,
ting, ting?
black. Oh, yummy. Approve. Approve, guys. Hey,
Ah,
what's
this
this
one too.
melon?
Mm.
Like it.
Yeah, it's squid ball. But they call it cuttlefish
Careful.
balls here. So,
Ooh,
did you eat it?
yeah. Look.
Okay.
Okay.
This one will be
What's that?
It's
Po-
kind of like snake.
pork intestine.
Pork intestine.
Yeah.
That's the first time that I
Yeah, me
eat
too.
that. I eat chicken intestine, not pork.
Okay, let me take a bite of it first.
I don't like suka.
It tastes the same.
Mm.
Let me taste some. Not with suka.
Just a small part for you.
Like I'm dancing.
Ate, don't do that.
It looks like a snake, right?
Mhm.
As a proof.
It tastes like chicken intestine. We tried to find it, but we can't find it. They don't have.
It tastes like a snake.
As if you have tasted the snake.
No. Can I have my black jelly? This one is a black gulaman in the Philippines from Chowking.
I want to try it too.
It's my stall up.
This one's black jelly.
Yeah, they call it black jelly.
Okay, the next one will be
Is that steak?
Betamax. Betamax. I'll let you. I'm gonna translate it later for Mika. So after she tasted it. Take a bite.
Just a little.
You swallow that first. Okay, I'll do it first.
Mm-mm.
It looks like black sushi. It looks like sushi. It looks like
You don't like it, huh?
sushi.
No, guys, no.
Now
I'm not gonna taste it. I don't like it.
it looks like
Ew.
what it tastes like.
It tastes it. Taste it. This one.
Yummy in my
It's
tummy.
yummy.
Taste that one
Okay.
first. Swallow the one in your mouth.
Do you want to taste this one?
Approved. That one's approved.
Mama. Mama, we all have to taste it. It's also it here. Yeah, I forgot to put it in here. Yeah, you don't like shokade, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Ah!
Do you want it?
Ew, ew, ew.
It's okay.
It's okay.
But I don't like it.
Now approved.
Yeah, so it's pork blood.
Pork
Ew.
blood.
Pork blood.
Ew, not a good one.
Okay, what's next? Oh, this one is
Okay. Ang tenga.
It
pig's,
looks like a snake too.
pig's ear.
Pig's ear.
It looks like a snake too.
Okay, let me taste it first.
My turn, my turn.
Oh, you cut one for Mika because kind of
Biggie.
because of the ligament.
The biggest lemon Gemini everything.
Small part for Mika.
I'm making silly faces.
Yeah, this one.
Fruit. Nothing.
What else? Okay, so we have two kinds of shomai.
Shama.
We have the
Chowking siomai.
steamed one, and we have the
Fried one.
fried one.
I want to try the fried one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's my favorite.
Wait lang. Where's the soy sauce?
Ito ba din? Nandyan yung soy sauce.
I like this so much.
Yung gusto mo yung maparas. Spicy.
Okay, so keep eating, guys.
I need something to get it.
Fork.
Thank you. This is so cool, guys. This look yummy, guys.
Yum, yum.
This one is approved. Move, guys.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, taste it, guys.
I'm tasting this one. I can't see.
Okay,
Yeah.
the steamed one.
It's yummy.
Forget the chili. Okay, which one is good? The steamed one or the fried one?
The steamed one.
You haven't tried the fried one.
That's artist. That's artist. That's artist.
I miss the soy sauce and the
That's artist.
cheese.
That's artist.
Okay, eat your churros, Jameson.
That's artist. I need the
What?
pink one.
That's artist.
Okay, so the fried ones, surprisingly, they're good. Ate,
That's artist. That's artist. Don't.
I don't want this one.
Okay, don't eat it anymore. Are you done with your churros? You want some more churros? Oh,
Yeah.
eat your churros.
That one's good. That's
you want half of this?
No, you can have
Oh,
it.
taste this one.
I
the fried
already
one.
taste it. I ate one na.
Now I'm trying this one.
They're good, huh?
Okay. I'm full na.
We have, yeah, we have three more things to taste. The turon, guys.
Oh, yummy.
This veggie,
This
right?
is yummy.
Yeah.
Both of them are yummy.
Oh, start eating it.
So it's approved. To prove. To prove.
Let's finish the egg.
Huh? No,
Both
you keep tasting.
Okay, now let's taste the... This one is... What's this?
Chicken.
Fried veggie
Roll.
raw.
No, thank
I
you.
dip it in the...
No, you eat it here.
Vinegar.
Don't dip it.
Just one bite.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, barbecue.
You can get the tissue over there.
Yum.
Get tissue.
Can someone pass me the tissue?
Yummy. I like it.
Thank you. Mama. Oh, magician.
Yummy, huh?
I say a magician. What's a magician?
Or you want to just bite from here?
that. What? Not the regular.
No, you did not bite. You're cheating. Finish the one in your mouth first.
Okay, next.
Just wait for me.
Oh, this one.
What is that?
Oh, taho.
Taho from Chowking. You can taste it.
Where's the spoon?
They didn't give you a spoon?
Oh, there's not. Oh yeah, they were not able to.
Look, hon.
Put it over there, Baba.
Come on, let's try the taho.
Okay.
Approve
that?
this one spoon. I think
Okay.
it's like mixing. I need tissue.
Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there.
No playing, JJ. It's
I will-
not a toy.
I'm not clay. You're playing.
I'm not gonna play. You wanna mix, you eat.
I'll mix.
Oh, you eat.
You taste it.
Oh,
No?
oh,
Okay.
Okay. That's you.
You sneeze over there, Ate, not in front of the camera.
Mama,
Okay.
I don't like it hot.
Okay.
I like
Now
it
my turn.
cold better.
Churros.
Here, churros boy.
What does it taste like, Mama?
The same taste that we have in the Philippines.
Oh, I want to try.
Mm.
But I like it. Let's try the soup.
It's the same. The soup, I mean, the white part doesn't have any taste. Get the jelly.
What's the jelly?
That one. I mean, we eat balut in the morning in the Philippines.
Taho.
Taho. Ay, balut. Yeah, taho.
Balut is evening.
Sorry. Is it good?
You like it?
Approve?
Approve.
Okay.
Chubo.
Tubo? Nice. Okay, the next one will be
Turon.
Run! Yay!
It's a banana inside the...
We have to eat just one bite, right?
Yeah.
Just only one. Now my turn.
Mama.
Mama.
I did.
You done?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Chubro. Mama.
And your churros.
Yay!
But we don't have churros in the Philippines before. You eat this later. Oh, we have, I think we're on the last one.
Mochi.
Mochi. I mean,
Mochi.
from what I remember, the mochi are circle, but
Yeah,
for some
they're-
reason, the mochi here are
That
like
they
oblong.
that they are cooking here is, it's a
Okay.
oval.
Maybe I'll just put the coconut right here. I'll put the coconut already.
Taste the coconut first before you put it.
Okay. Can anyone want to open it? Just kidding. Got the coconut up. Pour it. Let me put it.
Be careful, Baba.
There you go.
Or I might try it now. Oh, it looks like a snow. It looks like snow, right?
Let's show it.
It looks like snow, guys. Look at me. Look at me, Archer.
Gigi, can you get me the tissue?
Oh, give mo daw yung tissue kay tatay. Get the tissue and give it to tatay. Thank you, baby.
No, throw it. Thank you. Okay, what does the mochi taste like?
Wait.
Can I try first?
Okay, while you guys trying, I'll eat some of. I think this is kikiam.
Look at me, guys. I want to try it first. Yummy. So proof. So proof.
Want to taste this, baby? No?
Wala yung
Ay.
laman niya.
Ha?
Di ba may laman niya sa loob?
Yeah, should be.
Wala ito.
Oh. There.
Yung kinain ko, wala.
Oh, they cheated you then.
But mine has it.
Mm-hmm.
Yours has it? Are you sure?
Yeah. I just feel it.
How's your churros? Is it thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, show them you're eating your churros. Oh, good job. How about your Milo? Is it thumbs up too? Okay, can you drink it? Can you drink the Milo?
Almost gone.
You're almost done? Are you done? Okay, so let's just review everything and then okay, so we ate the pig's ear. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
We ate the quail eggs. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
We ate the baby octopus. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs side.
Thumbs side.
Thumbs.
In the middle?
Middle means you like a little.
Okay. How about you're
Like
crazy.
that, baby.
How about the blood? Ew. How about the hot dog? How about okay, so the kikiam is gone, but that's thumbs up. The squid ball is gone, that's thumbs up.
Cuttlefish.
The cuttlefish ball is thumbs up too. How about the pork intestine?
I don't like it.
So mama
It's
doesn't
a
like it.
snake.
And then what else? Oh,
The
turon.
The turon.
Yeah.
How about
Veggie.
the veggie spring roll?
Drink daw siya. Show daw siya drink.
Okay. Where? Drink the Milo. Wow, is it thumbs up? Thumbs up. Thumbs side. Uh-oh. How about the taho?
Yeah.
How about the mochi?
Mochi.
Yeah. All right, guys. I think we are successful in our food taste. Only few street foods that got thumbs down, especially the blood, pig's blood, the Betamax, and also the you didn't like. What do you like? The squid,
Pork.
this one. Right?
I don't like the pork.
Oh, this one.
Intestine.
Pork intestine.
And
How about blood?
how about the blood?
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you're new to our channel,
Please give me a favor. You can subscribe or button.
just press on our subscribe button and click on the bell
Bell
thing.
button.
That's the notification so that you'll be notified when we have new videos. And also, if you like our video,
Please
click on the like button and then comment section if you want us to do like a food challenge in the future or something.
Comment below.
Comment below, okay? Bye.
Watch our videos.
Bye.